Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is simply hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Add or Remove Program. Select the option. It will open your settings. Now from here what you have to do is go to the search apps and type in Roblox. Now in this section you will see an application called Roblox Player, not Roblox Studio. I have already deleted the Roblox Player. So if you see, for instance, let's suppose this application is called Roblox Player. So what I will do, I will click on the three-dotted button and click on uninstall and uninstall the Roblox Player application from my PC. Now, once you have uninstalled, what you have to do is hit the Windows key once again on your keyboard. Now this time type in % and type local app data %. Hit enter. It will open this file explorer. So from here what you have to do is find in Roblox. If I hit R on my keyboard, it will go to the R named folders, and here you'll be able to see Roblox folder. Find the Roblox folder, open the folder, select all the files and simply click on the delete button or the delete icon, or you can also hit the delete key on your keyboard and then delete all the contents on this folder. Once deleted, what you have to do is open your file browser and type in roblox.com/download. Hit enter. It will open Roblox downloading page. Click on download Windows application. It will start to download Roblox Player installer. Open the installer app and install Roblox once again on your computer. Now try to sign in and then your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Roblox Error Code 280. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.